1. No mechanical moving parts. Particle size reduction occurs without involving mechanical components, but instead by using a pressurized gas. This reduces metal contamination, therefore no lubrication is required. 2. Micronization at room temperature allows milling heat-sensitive products and it keeps the chemical physical characteristics. 3. Very fine particle size reached. Particle size can be lower than 2 microns, D90. 4. Easy cleaning. Cleaning of jet mill components is easy, which prevents cross-contamination. 5. Wide range of size. For very expensive products, a few grams can be micronized with a small size mill, like our R&D Labo mill. And because jet milling is a robust process, it can easily to be scaled up for much larger quantity for pilot or commercial mill, like PM16.